All right, crude oil continues to have a rough time reaching a new trend low today. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XS, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. And you can see that it hit a new trend low of 67.33. The trend I'm talking about is this trend. And that exceeded the potential support zone, which is a 127% extension of this A, B, C, D pattern, and previous significant swing low support back there. And you can see that yesterday stalled around that area, and today crude is on track to maybe close above that price zone. At the same time, it has broken through this small uptrend line. And let me just back out a second, broke through the small uptrend line, retraced back and tested it almost exactly as resistance today, along with this previous swing low. So it tested the swing low and the uptrend line, found resistance, and then sold off. So that is bearish behavior. So it wouldn't be surprising to see continuation. However, sometimes things don't occur as they might seem. That means we got to be prepared for a rally as well. A rally above today's high at 69.14 or 15 signals a break above a potential bullish reversal and a move back above this small trend line, which is not that significant. The key level then is going to be yesterday's high at 69.54. If it can get above there, it moves into this gap and has a good chance of rallying at least to the 70.78 level, if not higher. Resistance levels include the 50 moving average at 72.08 and the 20 moving average at 72.53. Now, the only reason that the bullish scenario is being looked at is because it's rallied back into this large symmetrical triangle following a bear breakdown. Now we're broken down again and we're showing additional signs of weakness, which in my mind seems to increase the chance that we could go lower. And if we do go lower, below this recent swing low, I think the next target down is 63, or let's start the top, 63.67 to 63.30 price zone. And that is largely consisting of this swing low here and support from this long-term downtrend line. Very long-term downtrend line, actually. Okay, it goes back a number of years. I forget how far. Let me just double check for you. We'll go to the weekly chart for a second. The downtrend line starts back here in 2008, the high at that point. So that would be the next support zone. And the way it's behaving now, it certainly looks like it could do it. And it could do it quickly, as a matter of fact. You could see how the shorter moving averages all cross below the 200 and they're continuing to trend down. Okay, that is it for crude traders. Have a great week.